Hello and welcome to Charles County Public Library. Today we are going to show you how to navigate to and use HelpNow Brainfuse. HelpNow is an e-learning platform that provides live online homework help, writing labs, adult learning resources, and more. To get started, simply input your library card number. It is located on the back of the card underneath the barcode. If you do not have a public library card from either Charles, St. Mary's, or Calvert County, you can register for one online for free. For assistance with homework, look under the Expert Help section. Expert Help has tutors that can help students of all ages and subjects such as math, science, reading and writing, social studies, and standardized tests. Simply select the desired student grade level and intended subject. A session can then be scheduled for a live tutor. For general homework questions, clarifications, and corrections, the Send Questions option puts you in contact with professionals who will send back corrections and responses to questions typed into the text box. If you need help with items such as book reports or term papers, there's a writing lab open 24 hours where papers can be submitted for feedback. Other features for studying, group collaboration, and test prep such as Flashbulb, Meet, and Skill Server can be found under the Study and Collaborate sections.